Lagunok ongi etorri berriz ere Lasto Txapele kanalera eta honetan jarraituko dugu Borrokania DLC berri honen bigarren mapa erakusteko eta gora hemen lehen aldiz da jugatuko duela mapa hau, beraz hemen aurkitu ezagona izango da sorpresa guretzat. Eta agian nivel honetan pasatxa lortzen ez badugu, agian nivel baxuagoan pasatu beharko dugu edo, baina guazen aurrera.
Turns out our Bergenhafen problem's down to a Chaos rune sword, the Blight Reaper. The good news is that Father Krausman has it under lock and key in a hidden Sanctum Maleficarum, but that'll not last. Bring it back here. I doubt we can destroy the bloody thing, but I'm prepared to give it a good old Hockland try, as me mother used to say.
I can't keep going! God! I can't keep going!
Hemendik izango da. Ez dakit. Vale. Debe ser zure ikusten.
I hear the Pale Queen.
Vale, guazen aurrera. Vale, uste duten bai, hortik daude. Vale, perfecto.
Here's a healing drop. A stash of explosive devices. Ready, darlings? And so.
Ay, bueno.
There may be a lot of them, but they don't stand a chance.
the rat, darling. The pitch still blazes.
Beti urten zait berdina, no? Grabatzen eta sartu behar dira hemen nire gelara, ba oso ondo. Eta ba oso ondo.
Another potion.
Bazen gorantza... Zeske ezin dut garatzen dago eta ez dauden
There's a chaos warrior
molestatzera
here.
eta abar. Bazen gora. Beti berdin. Vale. Osea... Hau, online egotea jolazten dut. Uste dotzen norbait ditze egitera, osea da, kriston puta da.
Revelry, as the town slides into the mire, I shall shut them all.
Vale, guazen aurrera. Eske beti, goatzen nago, zehoz eta beti sartu behar dira.
There's a rattling somewhere.
Vale, guazen.
Your help sucking dead. Healing draft! A healing draft here.
Cowboys legs, you might be ready. Ratlings are problem. Move on.
Vale, guazen.
Is it ammunition's time?
Blightstormer, I warned you.
Guazen gora.
See? A potion!
Vale, guazen gora.
Weapon Prince, time to kill that sorcerer before he drowns us in filth. Quit your yammering. There's a chaos warrior here.
Vale, guazen.
Are you just mad or a proper deacon?
We've got the leech, mayflies.
Ala, pikutara.
A rock elf. Look at the new mayflies. There is no escape.
Eske Elfa Silvano... kaosaren gerlaren kontra ez da oso eraginkorra. Eta zer dator. Baina
I confess I got a
Beti.
little enthusiastic.
Honik ez duen ikusi da kaosaren engendro hori.
Healing draught. Don't squander it.
Vale, hemendik ez da.
I need you back in shape to kill things out.
Vale, guazen hemendik.
Chaos warriors lumbering around.
At last, ammunition.
Vale, guazen.
Open trash.
Over there, Lumberfoots, a chaos warrior. I hear the last
Run! Just want to see your friend.
What the? Fire that! Work fire! Don't work fire,
Kneel before Sir Gruber, you filthy bastard. Bloody hell! Nobody got a
Gas rat!
bloody Globadier.
Vale, guazen espatekin gora.
Let fear upon the son of Sigma and the Empire.
Vale, hortik ez da. Hemendik izan beharko da.
Uber's right. Helmgar, Bergenhofen. Bloody Empire's That's a gas rat. That's enough before time. The corruption is spreading.
Guazen.
It falls to us to end it swiftly. We spent thousands of lives keeping folk like these at bay. Oh, the victory.
Vale, hemendik, gora. Guazen gora. Ermidia.
Slag. You deserve better, old friend. What are you staring at? We have
Guazen.
work to do. Let's head back. Get that gate open.
Vale.
We shall put them to use.
Guazen pizkanaka. Vale, guazen.
The next time Lunar sends us into a sewer, I've a mind to refuse.
Oh yeah, can't have those dainty elf feet getting wet, can you?
And how are your feet, Creeper?
Soaked through and miserable. Thanks for asking. There's ammunition here.
Anyone see the Blight Reaper?
A healing trap, right here. Sigma has guided us to healer's tools. Ah, fit for the hunt once again.
There's a Chaos Warrior near.
Look, potions. It's one thing for Lona to witter about these, and another to find a blessing. The sword's blight has consumed this place.
Wow.
Even Sigmar's blessing cannot prevail. Armored heretic! Fight the righteous fight!
Look for a switch.
Shackle the root and die! Bloody Sigmar!
Pick up the piece.
Ya bueno. Vale, vi. Y le falta 6, tío. Caca.
So many. Even I cannot.
Just try to stop me!
Is there no end to this corruption?
You're needed!
Wow. Non dago bosgarrena.
Has been done for this holy place!
They're swarming. Be ready.
Vale. Vale, iesin behar dugu. Hemen, eta bukatuko dugu, eta erasi dugu. Naiz eta partida erdian sartu. Eta bar. Vale, garaipena. Bi mapa garaipen, bi mapa berrietan. Beraz alde horretatik posik nago. Eta bar. Eta niveles gora. Perfecto. Bai. Oso ondo. Gora. Gora. No, me dago txarto. Vale. Txulito gara.
Rain won't stop them. We're not.
Vale. Zer hasi dugun ikustera.
Nice weather today.
A ver. Vale. Orduan, hemen. Ja, irekiko dugu bat, noiz ez duelako horrelakorek ireki. Bueno. Eta generalen arka bat irekiko dugu. Esate bat ez dugun. Vale. Vale. Konforme. Eta orain baditugu hemen gauzatxo berriak. A ver. Hello.